Welcome back, class. I'm Mr. Teacher with the SAT Math video guide. Today we're gonna get going on number 12 from the last section of test number 5. So, a list of numbers consists of p positive and n negative numbers. If a number is picked at random from this list, the probability that the number is positive is 3 over 5. What is the value of n over p? So, the probability of the number being positive, well, actually, before we even start on that, there are p positive numbers and n negative numbers. So those are variable values. And the probability of a number being positive is equal to 3 over 5. So in a probability, as we know, this is or you'll know right now, this is the selected amount, and this is the total amount. So since that one is selected, that is equal to positive. So P is equal to 3. Now there's only 2 left in the sense that 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 will equal 5 over 5. So the total. Therefore, n will be equal to 2. Now we need to find n over p, which is 2 over 3, which is the correct answer as choice C. And so we can go to number 13, which looks pretty wordy. So, the total daily cost, C, in dollars, of producing X units of a certain product is given by the function, let's write this down, C of X is equal to 600X minus 200 divided by X plus K, where K is a constant and X is less than or equal to 100. If 20 units were produced yesterday for a total cost of $640, what is the value of K? So, from the word problem, we know X is the number of units, and so in this case, X will be equal to 20. So let's create this space where we can work our problem out. So that we'll begin with 600 times 20 minus 200 divided by 20 plus K will be equal to 640, right? So from now, let's multiply the 20 to the 600, which should be 6,000, 12,000. So 12,000, let's make this a scratch paper area. So 12,000 minus 200. Now what does 12,000 minus 200 equal to? Well, 11,800. That divided by 20 will be equal to 5,000, and then 1,800 is 900. So that will be equal to, oh wait, no, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, cancel out the 0, and then 1180, 1,000 divided by 2 is 500, and 180 divided by 2 is 90. Therefore, that is equal to 590. So, 590 plus K must equal to 640. I'm sorry for that stumble there, but now we can find out what K is equal to. It's 640 minus 590. Therefore being equal to 50. And that is answer choice B. So number 14 is an inequality problem. For how many ordered pairs of positive integers x, y is 2x plus 3y less than 6? Well, let's first just write out the inequality, which is 2x plus 3y is less than 6. Now, let's create our x and y table for any of these problems concerning both variables, and it says positive integers. So let's start with the least positive integer on both sides. Let's say x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Well, in that case, 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 should be less than 6. And it is true. So 5 is less than 6. So we know this ordered pair works. However, whenever we increase one side by even 1, the rest of the equation, the inequality won't work. If x was equal to 2, then 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 times 1 is 3, and 7 is not less than 6. So, that. Similarly, if we were to increase y, then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, and 8 is also not less than 6. So both of them are incorrect. Our only ordered pair is 3, 1, and that is choice A, one ordered pair. Now number 15 is on the next page and involves two triangles, which we're gonna, I never liked this yellow. It's too bright against the black. However, being bright isn't bad, is it? Alright, so x degrees, then another triangle here, DEF. This is y degrees and y degrees, and this is equal to 5. Figures are not drawn to scale. So, if y equals to 60 in triangle DEF above, how much greater is the perimeter of triangle ABC from the perimeter of triangle DEF? Well, they say if y equals to 60, so if y equals to 60, then this y also equals to 60, and 180 minus 120 is also equal to 60, which is the final angle measure. And now we know this is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, this will be equal to 5, and this will be equal to 5. Now, coming to the other triangle, triangle ABC, there's 2 x degrees down here. And here's 1, 8. It's kind of, I can't put it into words, but it's an isosceles triangle, if you remember. If the base angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, 8. This is also 8. So the perimeter of triangle ABC is 21. The perimeter of triangle DEF is 15. If you subtract these, you will get 6, which is choice number C. Let's do one more problem today before we leave. 16. So, if x and y are positive consecutive odd integers, where y is greater than x, which of the following is equal to y squared minus x squared? Now, in these types of problems, you can assume that it works for every single value of x and y. Otherwise, this problem would be impossible to solve, as you could have infinite possibilities with, infinite everything. So, it doesn't have to be an exact number. We can pick any consecutive odd numbers we want. So, let's say x is equal to 5, and since y is greater than x, let's say y is equal to 7. So, y squared minus x squared, which means 7 squared minus 5 squared. That's 49 minus 25, which is equal to 24. Now, this must equal to one of the answer choices. So let's start from the middle, C, which is 2x plus 2, which would be 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 2, which is equal to 12. Now that's not close to 24 at all, so that's not correct. How about choice D, which is the same thing, 2x plus 4. Well, that's 2x plus 2. If we just add 2 more, we'll get 14. That also doesn't work out, so that's not the correct answer. Let's check choice E, which is 4x plus 4. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 4, which is equal to 24. So that is the correct answer. Now, if you want to check, you can use another set of consecutive odd integers like x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. 5 squared minus 3 squared is equal to 4 squared by the Pythagorean triple, if you can remember that. So it's equal to 16. 4x, which is 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 4 is also equal to 16. So you can see that this will work with all values, well, all consecutive odd values of x and y, where y is greater than x. So that is the correct answer. And I hope this helped you with your math preparation. We will be finishing up this section in the next video.